You've probably seen our viral cucumber time-lapse with over 2 million views. It looks magical, doesn't it? But behind this beautiful growth lies a secret that most home gardeners get completely wrong. Why do your potted cucumbers suddenly drop their flowers? Why do the fruits grow deformed or yellow and die before you can even harvest them? If you are tired of growing just leaves and zero cucumbers, stop scrolling. Today, I will reveal the exact fertilization timeline and potting secrets to turn your balcony into a cucumber factory. Let's dive in. Before you even touch the soil, you must fix the environment. Cucumbers demand full sun. If your balcony lacks light, no fertilizer will save it. Don't guess your sunlight. Go to our website and use our free light requirement checker. It instantly tells you if your spot is viable. Once the light is right, focus on the roots. In the first 2 weeks, a balanced nitrogen and phosphorus feed is your golden rule. Now, the critical turning point, the flowering stage. You must switch to a high phosphorus and potassium formula to stop flower drop. But how much should you dilute? One mistake can burn the roots. Stop doing the math and use our fertilizer dilution calculator on the Gardening Tools Hub. Just input your pot size and target volume, and it computes the exact working solution in seconds. Perfect dilution means perfect cucumbers. Growing your own food is a science, but it doesn't have to be hard. We have packed this entire fertilization schedule into our premium liquid formulas designed to protect your plants and maximize your harvest safely. If you want to master home gardening step by step, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a comment below about what plant you want to grow next. All the guides and professional templates are linked in the description. See you in the next episode.